video number 1 of clicking noise in 08 Nissan Armada SE or LE. So when the car is on, cuts on, and I cut the back AC on, it starts to make this clicking noise, and I'm gonna go to it, and it seems to still do it afterwards as well. But let's see if it'll do it now. There it is. Okay, as you can see, you can hear it. This is the part that's making that noise right there. That part. This right here is called a solenoid, and it clicks. I don't know what reason it clicks, but it makes this irritating click noise. So the way to get to it is, I'm not gonna go and tear this whole piece out because it's gonna be hell to put it back in. But if you lift up the little compartment back here, it's going to be a little deal that looks just like this on the other side. What you do is, they're sitting like this. You have to pop this up with a flat head, and then it'll reveal the little screw piece. Yes, a flat head to take it out, or a 10mm. After you take that out, you have to pop this piece up, and then just kind of jerk at this and pull it halfway out. Pull this back so you can actually lift that piece out. And again, that piece right there, you're gonna take out, replace. I just bought that piece for $48, and that'll stop that clicking noise. All right then, thank you guys. Subscribe. Whether you like it or not, it fixes the issue. So if I didn't do it as technical as you like it, feel free to do it however you feel. But at the end of the day, the clicking has stopped. Hooray, hooray. Bye.